Hello, this is Adam Vincent, SDI Project 3 for the June 2012 term. Um, Working my way on through the course. I'm actually coming at you from my bathroom tonight. It's the only quiet place in my house for the moment. There's too many TVs and there's commotion going on. I have two kids. So anyway, start out, just talk a little bit about, log out of my code, the storyline. I work at California Pizza Kitchen. I'm a shift leader and server. Um, so I take you through kind of a few steps. Our morning pre-shift with talk with managers, and then take you through a standard greeting and checking back and giving you options for dessert that I've done all through loops and all that good, all the functions and everything that we've learned throughout the week. Inputting and outputting different numbers into my arrays and objects. Takes you through some different options that we have as far as based on the numbers that came out. If you sold desserts, you did a great job. If you didn't sell desserts, then you need to pick it up. That kind of deal. The hardest thing for me this week was this guy, the flow chart. I got real nervous about this one. It was just trying to figure out the different symbols, what everything meant, and where to plug it in, and how it related to my code. So, just going to let you know this was the hardest thing for me. So, I hope you judge lightly. Basically, kind of go through my different methods and procedures. Each one that relates to each other's the corresponding colors, the colored outlines, just so I can make it easier for you to tell what went with what. The easiest thing for me was still coming into the syntax and the language and learning all of that, and the math and the logic parts all come pretty well. This was the hardest thing, and actually like plugging my variables in with my story. That's still a little different for me. How does this pertain with life? Basically, it just kind of gives you step-by-step, processes of how you go through different things. As far as the storyline, this is my life. It's what I have to do on a daily basis, over and over and over to different tables, over and over again. So, this is why I'm in school, so I can better my life. Anyway, how does this pertain to the future? Well, hopefully, get through these programming courses, and as I become a programmer in the future, I'll have to work with this kind of stuff, so I've got to learn it now. Anyway, this was my Project 3, and I hope you have a great rest of the week.